Welcome back to my channel. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So my buddy John's coming over today with his M235 and we're going to swap his bumper over. He ended up ordering an M2 style bumper for his 235 and we need to get that fitted so he can get the rest of his car done before driven on May 3rd. He's one of the founding members of the brigade. He's going to be at Driven with us, parking with us, and he's the only one that has the M235 in the group. Go give him a follow on Instagram, show him some love, let him know what you think of the M2 style front bumper. Also, comment below. I'm gonna go meet him at my place and we'll get this started. Keep watching. We're getting started on the bumper removal. There's John's 235. And here's the new bumper. So we're going to remove these bolts, which John's already done. We remove the inner fender liner. There's 2 bolts up in here. And then we'll go underneath and get those bolts removed. We'll get the old bumper taken off and we'll start fitting the new one. One of the complications we might have is he has an upgraded intercooler, which the technician had to do a fair amount of cutting to make the old bumper fit the intercooler. So we're gonna play that by ear and see how the new bumper fits with that, but we'll get it fitted. Okay, bumper's removed. Now we're gonna start fitting the new bumper. Here's what it looks like without the bumper. Looks pretty familiar, I think. What do you guys think? Well, we got the bumper fitted. It actually it fits pretty nice. Just a bit of pressure in the center. It didn't feel like it felt over curved. So we just had to kind of flatten it out a bit and get the bolts put in there. And I think once the heat gets to it and just relaxes that plastic a bit, it'll be good. I'll show you guys what it looks like right now. Obviously, it's not been painted or prepped or anything. All we wanted to do was get it fitted because it is going off to a shop next for the next step of it. So I'm going to just show you some quick B-roll of what it looks like, unfinished obviously, but hopefully this kind of shows some of the fitment, and I'll link below where he actually ordered the bumper from so that you guys can get the same thing for your car if you want. Well, what do you guys think? You like the new bumper? Let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna keep this as part 1 of the series of John's M235 build. Keep watching and subscribe if you want to see what happens with the bumper in the next coming weeks. He's doing a big reveal on May 3rd as well, so maybe I will do a reveal video on my car, his car, Hassan's car. Everybody who's doing a big makeover this year will do a big reveal, and I will let you guys see it first. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. But like that, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe.